But guys, right now we do have a burglar alarm going up at the golf course. Not gonna disclose the location, but there's a burglar alarm going up at the golf course. Beautiful night to be golfing, but yeah, there's a burglar alarm. I don't know who the burglar is, probably no one. But you're gonna go film the cops for a couple. As a responder already on site. I don't know who the responder is. A responder who is someone who comes out and checks in case there's a burglar alarm, what goes on, and then they have the key. So that's what a responder is. There is one on site right now. So we're gonna stand back. And so, yeah. So they're just gonna decide that they're going in for now. That's what I overheard, but we're just staying back because it is illegal to go up there and get any info. But yeah, because look at the sunset. It came over here because I was down the road at the coffee shop, my favorite coffee shop, so I decided to come down here quickly and just grab some video of what's actually going on. There was a responder. So probably just checking the area. You got fuck.
I wasn't making the use. I have no kids, but I wasn't making it. It was like this was our
There was a bug that just clawed on me. Oh my fucking god.